Hi, do you want to sound more natural and confident at work? Today, in this video, I will share with you 5 workplace idioms that professionals use almost every single day. So, you ready? Let's begin. The first one we have here is meet a deadline. Now, what is a deadline? A deadline is the fixed date or time before which a task must be finished or done. So if I tell you the deadline for submitting your homework is 11 a.m. today, you should and you must finish up your homework and submit it to me by 11 today. And when you do so, you could say you have met the deadline. For example, Sia had to work all day long to meet the deadline. So, do you remember of any such instances in your life where you had to work really hard to meet a deadline? Comment below. The next one we have here is in the loop. Now, what is a loop? Let's say I take this piece of string and I curve it into a round shape like this. Yeah, this is a loop. Now, what does it mean to be in the loop? It means to be kept informed or updated about something important. Really? How? Well, this phrase, in the loop, was first used in military communication in mid-20th century. It referred to the flow of crucial information within a system. Over time, this phrase transitioned into business English. Today, to be in the loop is to be a part of a circle or selected group of people who are kept informed about important decisions, events, project updates, etc. In simple words, to be in the loop is to be included in the communication circle, and to be out of the loop is to be excluded from the communication circle. For example, I missed the meeting. I was not in the loop. Or our new coworker is angry with all of us because we did not keep her in the loop about our recent plans. The next one we have is on the same page. Now, in order to improve or enhance your fluency, you will have to practice speaking. Do you agree with me? Yes? Great! We're on the same page. Yeah. When two people are on the same page, they agree on a particular topic or a particular issue. For example, it's easy to work with my new boss. We're often on the same page. We usually agree with each other. Or the team failed because none of the members were on the same page. They all had different opinions about their project. Okay, on to the next one. It is back to the drawing board. Now, in the technical world, a drawing board is primarily used for drafting blueprints or making a rough sketch of your plan. You make a rough sketch of your plan before finally executing the plan. But what do you do when the plan fails? You go back to your draft, or in this case, you go back to the drawing board and start everything or the entire process all over again, right? That's exactly what it means to be back to the drawing board. It means to start a process all over again because a previous attempt has failed. Example, my idea failed. I had to go back to the drawing board. This plan did not work, so it is back to the drawing board. And the last one we have is so common in the professional world. It is get the ball rolling. Imagine you're in the meeting hall of your apartment to discuss something important. Everybody is quiet. No one speaks, but they all wait for someone to start the discussion. And then finally, you take a deep breath and say, "All right, let's get the ball rolling." And that's how you start the discussion. To get the ball rolling is to get things started, to initiate a process or get things moving. Example, let's get the ball rolling with the first task. Or we need someone to get the ball rolling on this project. All right, now let's quickly recap all the 5 idioms we learned today. It is meet a deadline, in the loop, on the same page, back to the drawing board, and get the ball rolling. And that's all for today. I'll be back with more workplace English in my upcoming lessons. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye.